Hey there Titans, welcome to Form Titan Basics. In this video I'll show you how to show a message from a condition. So what I will give you is the ability to pop up a window from a condition. So let's head over to a condition here and see how it does. So we're going to go to condition and configure condition. So we have here a simple condition that says if our current field, which is the account name, equals or hello, hey, shalom, then what we're doing is we're showing the account address, which is the current field, the bottom field, the account address. And the other thing we would want to do is to show a message. So this is a new action here, and we're going to click configure, and we can say, let's do meets condition, and we're going to give it, let's say, 400 by 400 pixels. And this is HTML. You can write here whatever you like and design it however you like. Let's make this bold, and let's make it 14 pixels and put it in the center, and let's apply, save our form, publish it, and we're gonna say hello, and we can see our beautiful window here opened from our condition, and this is how it's done.